I get to work on big trucks. I get to work on shiny big trucks. That's exciting to me. I'm currently the fleet and facility supervisor. I also have Scott Anderson, which is a full-time mechanic with me, and between the two of us, we take care of the fleet. Right now, we're sitting at about 50 vehicles. That includes all frontline engines, trucks, trailers, boats, staff vehicles, and here in the next couple of months, we'll have a new engine. We also have 2 antique trucks, and so that's 53 vehicles total. Our crews literally run thousands of calls a year. When our crews get a call and they run out to the engine, their concern is where they're going, what kind of call they're going to do. The last thing I want on their mind is concern for the truck. If my trucks are safe and my trucks are 100%, then my crews that use it are going to be safe and be able to do the best they can. We look at everything from bumper to bumper. If there's a knob, we turn it. If there's a button, we push it. If it raises or lowers, we operate it, we check it, we lube it, we make sure that it's going to operate correctly and to NFPA standards. We also go to the stations to do little jobs here and there, so we don't have to take the trucks out of service and bring them into the shop, which I think saves a lot of downtime, and it keeps a lot of the trucks out of the shop for long periods of time. If you think about it, each fire apparatus is just like a car. It's nothing but a rolling computer. And just like new vehicles, they all have new exciting stuff on them, electronics and computers. Our fire apparatus have the same thing. Basically, to work on any of this equipment or troubleshoot it, you have to have programs. You have to have scanners and readers. And that's one thing that we just about do on a daily basis when we get a truck in here, is we plug into it so we can read it. We have 40 some odd guys that are rotating through these trucks weekly. And so you get that many people that are touching and pushing buttons and driving, it gets used. And so it's kind of exciting to come in and have something new to try to troubleshoot or try to figure out. We get people that call 911 and need our firefighters there right away for help. They can't do it if they don't have proper equipment. They can't do it if they can't rely on the equipment, if it doesn't start, if it won't pump water. The community relies on the firefighters rely on us. We rely on our training and our knowledge to keep these trucks up where we need to so that the firefighters can do their job.